Imagine a place so vast, so alien, that we know less about it than we do the surface of Mars. What if I told you this incredible, mysterious world is right here on Earth, hidden beneath endless waves? For centuries, humanity has gazed upon the ocean, seeing only the shimmering surface. But what lies beneath that colossal blue curtain? A hidden empire stretching across over 70% of our planet, a place of crushing pressures, eternal darkness, and life so bizarre it defies imagination. This isn't just water. It's a living, breathing realm that holds secrets to our past, present, and future, a world waiting to be explored, understood, and protected. This world is our ocean, and despite its constant presence, it remains the ultimate frontier. It's a place where sunlight fades into eternal night just a few hundred feet down, where the weight of miles of water can crush a submersible like a tin can. But within this extreme environment, life doesn't just survive. It thrives in forms we're only just beginning to comprehend. From the vibrant, sun-drenched coral gardens pulsating with color, to the inky black abyssal plains where strange glowing creatures drift by, the ocean is a mosaic of diverse ecosystems. Think of shallow coral reefs, often called the rainforests of the sea, bursting with fish of every hue, darting through intricate structures built over thousands of years. They're a noisy, bustling metropolis underwater, crucial nurseries for countless species, and a vital food source for millions around the globe. But venture deeper, past the twilight zone, and you enter a world that seems pulled straight from a science fiction novel. Here, the pressure is immense, the temperature hovers just above freezing, and no light from the sun ever penetrates. Yet life persists. Consider the deep-sea hydrothermal vents, cracks in the ocean floor where superheated, mineral-rich water spews forth from Earth's core. Around these volcanic chimneys, entire ecosystems flourish, powered not by sunlight, but by chemosynthesis. Bacteria here munch on chemicals, forming the base of a food chain that supports giant tube worms with no mouths or digestive tracts, bizarre blind shrimp, and pale, ghostly crabs. These creatures have adapted in ways that challenge our very definition of life, proving that where there's energy, there's a way for life to take hold, no matter how extreme the conditions. It's a powerful reminder of life's incredible resilience and adaptability, showing us that even on other planets, life might find a way in the most unlikely places. And the discoveries just keep coming. Every year, scientists, with their advanced submersibles and remote cameras, uncover hundreds, sometimes thousands, of new species. We're talking about everything from new kinds of microscopic plankton that form the bedrock of the marine food web, to colossal, mysterious squid that lurk in the abyss, rarely seen by human eyes. Just a few years ago, researchers found a new species of glowing octopus, and recently, an entirely new deep-sea ecosystem was discovered under the ice in Antarctica, thriving in conditions previously thought impossible. These ongoing discoveries aren't just cool, they highlight just how much we still don't know about our own planet. It's like exploring a massive hidden library where every book is a new species, and we've barely read the first chapter. Beyond its living inhabitants, the ocean floor itself is a landscape of staggering geological wonders. Forget what you think you know about flat seabeds. Beneath the waves lie towering mountain ranges, some taller than Mount Everest, stretching for thousands of miles. There are vast plains, smooth and endless, sculpted by the slow but powerful currents over eons. And then there are the trenches, like the Mariana Trench. Deeper than Mount Everest is tall, a seemingly bottomless chasm that plunges nearly 7 miles down. Imagine the scale of that. If you place the world's tallest mountain at the bottom, its peak would still be over a mile beneath the surface. These colossal underwater features aren't just pretty to look at, they play a huge role in how our planet works. They influence massive ocean currents, which in turn affect global weather patterns, from tropical storms to rain in your backyard. They also determine where marine life can settle, creating unique habitats and guiding the migration paths of everything from tiny fish to colossal whales. By studying these underwater landscapes, scientists can unlock secrets about Earth's very formation, how continents shift, and the powerful forces that continue to shape our world. But this incredible vital realm, this source of wonder and life, is facing serious threats, many of them caused by our actions on land. Imagine trying to live in a house that's constantly being filled with trash and toxic chemicals. That's what's happening to our ocean. Plastic waste, from single-use bags to tiny microplastic particles, is suffocating marine life, clogging their digestive systems and turning once pristine environments into swirling garbage patches. Chemical runoff from farms and factories pollutes coastal waters, creating dead zones where nothing can survive. Even noise pollution from shipping, sonar systems, and oil exploration is a problem, disrupting the delicate communication and navigation systems of whales and dolphins, causing stress and disorientation. Then there's the relentless pressure of destructive fishing practices. Overfishing has depleted fish stocks to alarming levels, wiping out entire populations and leaving delicate ecosystems unbalanced. Some fishing methods, like bottom trawling, drag massive nets across the ocean floor, destroying ancient coral reefs and vital habitats that took thousands of years to form, turning vibrant underwater communities into barren wastelands. It's like clear-cutting a forest to catch a few animals. The collateral damage is immense and long-lasting. And looming over all of this is the immense challenge of climate change. Our oceans are absorbing much of the excess heat and carbon dioxide we release into the atmosphere. This causes ocean acidification, making the water more acidic, which makes it harder for creatures like corals, clams, and oysters to build their shells and skeletons. Imagine if the air you breathed slowly started dissolving your bones. Rising sea temperatures also devastate sensitive ecosystems like coral reefs, causing coral bleaching events that turn these colorful, bustling cities into ghostly white skeletons. These changes aren't just affecting marine life, they're impacting the entire planet, from our weather to the very air we breathe. Given these immense challenges, exploring and understanding the ocean isn't just about curiosity, it's crucial for our own survival. How can we protect something we don't fully understand? Thankfully, advancements in technology are opening doors that were once firmly shut. Remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, and autonomous underwater vehicles, AUVs, are like our eyes and hands in the deep sea. These robotic explorers can withstand crushing pressures and navigate pitch-black environments for hours, days, or even weeks, sending back incredible footage and collecting invaluable data. They're allowing us to see creatures and geological formations that humans have never witnessed before, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. These robots are collecting samples, mapping the ocean floor in incredible detail, and helping us monitor the health of marine ecosystems, giving us the information we need to make informed decisions. The path forward is clear, though challenging. We need continued research to unlock more of the ocean's secrets. The more we learn, the better equipped we are to protect it. We also need to implement responsible management practices for fishing, for pollution, for every way we interact with this vast resource. This means creating more protected marine areas, enforcing stricter regulations on plastic waste and chemical discharge, and transitioning to sustainable fishing methods that don't destroy habitats or deplete stocks. It's about mitigating the impacts of climate change by reducing our carbon footprint, both individually and globally. The ocean isn't just a distant body of water, it's a critical component of planetary health, regulating our climate, producing most of the oxygen we breathe, and providing food and resources for billions. It is a shared treasure, a resource that demands our respect and protection. What we do now will determine the fate of this hidden world for generations to come. We have the power and the responsibility to ensure its long-term health, not just for the incredible creatures that call it home, but for ourselves. If you're captivated by the mysteries of our planet, then click here to dive into our next video about Earth's most extreme landscapes.